Welcome to the channel, your trusted source for the latest in drone technology and innovation. Today, we're unveiling everything we know about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone that is set to redefine the boundaries of performance and portability. From rumored features to anticipated upgrades, this compact drone is positioned to be a game-changer for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The DJI Mini series has been a hallmark of innovation in the drone industry. Starting with the Mini 1, this line of drones has consistently balanced portability with cutting-edge features. The Mini 4 Pro set a high bar, and the Mini 5 Pro promises to surpass it with substantial upgrades. Lightweight, yet powerful, these drones have become the go-to choice for travelers, photographers, and vloggers. With the Mini 5 Pro, DJI aims to push the boundaries even further, offering unparalleled functionality in a sub-250-gram design. If history is any indicator, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could hit the shelves in November 2024. This timeline aligns with DJI's trend of late-year launches, capitalizing on the holiday shopping season. As for pricing, expect it to range from $799 to $899, reflecting its premium features while remaining competitive. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant upgrade from its predecessors. This larger sensor will enable incredible low-light performance, higher dynamic range, and stunningly detailed 4K videos. For those who love cinematic shots, rumors suggest a slow-motion capability of up to 240 frames per second at 1080p resolution. Safety is key when piloting drones, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature an improved obstacle avoidance system. Utilizing omnidirectional sensors, this drone could offer unparalleled safety, making it easier for beginners and professionals to navigate complex environments. AI-driven enhancements are set to make the DJI Mini 5 Pro smarter and more intuitive than ever. Advanced tracking modes like Active Track 6.0 could allow the drone to follow subjects seamlessly. Even in challenging terrains, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a larger 3,850 mAh battery, offering up to 40 minutes of flight time under optimal conditions, weighing under 250 grams. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is designed to comply with global drone regulations, eliminating the need for registration in many countries. Despite its lightweight build, the drone is expected to feature a robust and aerodynamic design, enhancing flight stability even in windy conditions. The Mini 5 Pro is set to redefine user experience with advanced connectivity options. OcuSync 4.0 technology could provide a transmission range of up to 15 kilometers, delivering ultra-low latency and crystal-clear live feeds. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is not just another drone. It's a testament to how far drone technology has come. With its advanced camera, extended flight time, and smart features, it caters to everyone from casual users to professional filmmakers. As we eagerly await its official release, the Mini 5 Pro promises to set a new standard for compact drones. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest updates on all things tech and drones.